Hey everyone, what's up? I'm Jeevish and I handed an AI my chaotic to-do list and asked it to plan my entire week. This is WeekPilot, my Google and Kaggle Capstone project. Let's see if it actually works. Here's the idea. Most of us don't struggle to make a to-do list. We struggle to figure out when to actually do everything. WeekPilot fixes that. You type a messy brain dump of your week in plain English and it hands back a clean, clash-free time-blocked schedule. Think of it as a personal planning concierge that does the boring part for you. Now let's test this project. I've already done my coding and opened the command prompt of my project folder. One for backend purpose and another is for front-end purpose. And in backend, I've given this command uvicorn backend.main app port 8000 and it started running. This runs the AI agents back to power up my website. And this another terminal is used for front end purpose. And let's start the website by clicking npm run dev. Yeah, it got started. And let's open up this URL in my browser. Go on to Brave, paste the URL. Yeah, this is the website which I have designed for my week palette. We can change into dark and light modes. This is here is the privacy first, and we can also get a new chart. This is the format which I have given to this to plan the whole week. And let's test it out by giving a nice genuine prompt. Okay, I'll give it a genuinely messy, realistic week. I picked this one because it got everything recurring gym sessions, protected deep work mornings, a fixed dinner with a friend, and it even needs the live weather to plan those outdoor workouts. Let's just type this entire thing. Recurring gym sessions. Protected deep work mornings. And a fixed dinner with my friend, let's say Sam. And I don't know the weather of the of tomorrow or within the entire week. So I'll tell it to check the weather. Check the weather. And let's hit the enter button. Yeah, it's processing. Oh, it's asking what city are you in? Let's type Vijayawada. Oh, it just actually built. Here you see 5 days planned, 12 blocks, 25 hours of scheduled work, and it starts from Monday, June 29th. Nice. Everything is perfectly fit within the schedule. Yeah, here it mentioned dinner with Sam from 7 o'clock. It just banged. Honestly, that's faster than I have done it myself, which is kind of the whole point. Quick peek under the hood. WeekPilot built in Python on Google's Agent Development Kit with Gemini as the brain. It's a multi-agent system, a few specialist agents working together, plus a custom MCP server that safely pulls in a fast API backend with a React frontend, and it's ready to deploy with Docker. And don't worry, no API keys were harmed or hard coded in the making of this project. And that's weak pilot, from a messy brain dump to a planned week in just a few seconds. Huge thanks to Google and Kaggle for this Capstone project. And thank you for watching. If you actually use this to plan your week, let me know. See you in the next one. Thank you.